and welcome to my channel. My name is Blom and I'm a professional fine artist based in Norway. So this week I thought I would expand on last week's topic, color theory. And specifically in this video I'm going to talk about complementary colors. So what are they and how can you use them to your advantage in your painting? Now last week I made a video about primary, secondary and tertiary colors and also how you can use a limited palette of just 5 colors to mix a wide range of colors and values. So if you haven't checked that out, I'm going to leave a link for that below this video, so you can have a look at that as well if you would like. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to be talking about complementary colors. And complementary colors is something that I use consciously a lot in my own paintings to create contrast and to create effect. So this is something that I really love to talk about, and especially if you are new to color theory, I think you're really going to enjoy this topic. I also want to say that if you watch until the end of this video, then I have a special offer for you that I'm going to talk more about that is really going to help you take your color theory to the next level as well. Okay, so if you're ready to talk more about complementary colors, then let's just jump right in and let me show you how you can use complementary colors to great effect in your own painting. Now the colors that are standing opposite each other on a color wheel is something called complementary colors. Now the complementary colors will do two things. One, they can make each other stand out more. So if you add the complementary colors next to each other, then you will achieve the highest possible contrast in color. And this will make the colors jump out, and a lot of painters have used this to great effect in their paintings. Another thing the complementary colors will do is that if you mix them together, they will mute or calm each other down. So this is something that you can use to your advantage if, for example, you are mixing a color and the color that you are creating is starting to lean too much towards one color, it's starting to look too intense, then you can calm the color down by introducing a little bit of its complementary color. So let's take an example. Red and green are complementary colors. So what I could do if I thought this green was way too green and I wanted to calm it down is that I could introduce a little bit of red into this mixture. So I'm introducing a little bit of red, not a lot at all, because if I add too much red, what will happen is that the colors will kill each other completely and you will end up with a color that is very close to a gray or a brown. So as you can see, by introducing a little bit of red, this green has become a lot more muted. And if we compare it to the green on our palette that was already there, we can see that it has become a lot more earthy and it's a lot softer. Here's an example of what will happen if we add too much of each complementary color together in a color mix. So let me take a chunk of this orange, and then I'll take a little bit of this blue. These are complementary colors, blue and orange. Okay, so now I mixed quite a bit of blue and orange together, and what has happened is that we ended up with a kind of non-color. It's almost got a slight greenish tint, but it is very close to a greenish brown actually, if we were to put a name on it. So there is no more left of the blue and there's no more left of the orange. The two complementary colors combined have completely knocked each other out, and we ended up with a completely different color. Okay, so that was a little bit more about color theory and specifically complementary colors. I really hope you enjoyed this video if you're new to the world of color theory, and that you'll use this knowledge about complementary colors in your next painting. Now, at the beginning of this video, I told you that I had a special offer for you if you watch until the end of this video. And the special offer is that right now you can get 50% off my guide that is called A Beginner's Guide to Color Theory. So if you would like to check it out, I have left a link for you below the video in the description. And in this guide, I tell you so much more about complementary color, about color temperature, saturation, hue, and so much more. So if you are interested to get more knowledge about the big world of color theory, then definitely check that out. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It helps my channel grow. And also, if you would like more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the small bell icon so you always know when I post a new video. Until next time, my creative friend, I wish you lots of inspiration and happy painting. Bye!